Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another video. Today I will be doing long distress locks. I will be using spring twist hair, passion twist hair, and also curly hair for the ends. I will be using the passion twist hair as a base for the lock and also the curly hair. The passion twist hair I will separate in two pieces, so I will use one piece for one lock. And the curly hair I will also separate in two pieces. So now I have one piece passion twist hair and one piece of the curly hair, and that will be the base of one lock. I already braided her hair, so now I will crochet the passion twist hair and the curly hair into her own hair. As you can see, I am making the curly hair uneven, so it will be long enough to reach the ends of the lock. So the curly hair you have to make uneven, and the passion twist hair will be even. So you have to check that the passion twist hair is even and the curly hair is uneven. Now I will use two strands of the spring twist hair, but I will begin with one strand first. And when I finish the first strand, I will add one strand, but you will see that in the video. I've begun wrapping my spring twist hair, and you will see that I will be making the lock distress with my thumb. As you can see, I'm pulling the hair with my thumb so it has a distressed look. So I just keep wrapping the hair around the passion twist and the curly hair, and also making a distress with my thumb. And I just keep wrapping the hair around. Here you can see again I have a half a strand of the passion twist hair and a half a strand of the curly hair for my second lock. I am making the curly hair uneven again, and the passion twist hair has to be even, just like the first lock I did. As you can see, I'm crocheting my first strand of Springtwist here, and I'm already prepping my second strand of Springtwist here. I'm just using the same method, just wrapping the Springtwist here around and making it distressed with my thumb, and then just keep wrapping around the hair. Now I will be adding my second strand of Springtwist here, because I just finished the first strand. Now I'm adding the hair to the lock. At first I wrap the hair of the first strand around the second strand, and then I continue with both strands, if you understand what I mean. To secure the ends, I just wrap the hair up and make several knots. I think I made 2 or 3 knots, I'm not sure. I just made knots until the hair is finished. And I also wrapping the hair a little bit tight so it will not loosen up. So you have to wrap it a little bit tighter than you wrap the hair in the beginning. So this is how the hair looks like. It looks so natural, and it's also not heavy because I use passion twist here and only Springtwist here. I'm just adding some oil to her scalp, and then you will see the finished part. And I almost forgot, I'm also adding some mousse to the ends. So this was my quick detail tutorial. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope you can create your own locks using this tutorial. I want to thank everyone who is supporting me, who is watching my videos. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I will be making so much videos, so keep watching, keep supporting me. Also follow me on Instagram. I will see you next time, and don't forget to see the end part, how it looks on her. Bye.